How to fix the app not available on iPhone. This usually happens when the app is not available in your region or country. Don't worry, it's super easy to fix. First method, open Settings, then tap on your Apple ID. Scroll down and tap Media and Purchases, then select View Account. After that, tap on Country/Region and choose a country where the app is available. For example, you can select United Kingdom. Then tap Continue and press Agree to accept the terms and conditions. Now simply fill out the required fields and you're done. Second method, open the App Store and install any reliable VPN app. After installing it, connect to the country where the app is available, then try downloading the app again. In many cases, this works instantly. I know how frustrating it feels when you can't install the app you really need, but hopefully this quick fix helps you out. And that's about it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.